Hey friends, it's here. It came. It took a while to get this order. This is from my monthly Scentsy Club. It bills out on the 3rd. It didn't ship out to the 10th, and I got it like yesterday. So we're going to go through it. This is the monthly whiff box that Scentsy puts out. First of all, welcome if you're new. My name is Rebecca. Thank you so much for being on this scented journey. I hope you stick around. Please subscribe if you aren't a current subscriber. All right, so Scentsy puts out a monthly whiff box. It's themed. It used to be a surprise, however, they took the surprise element away. It does take away some of the fun for me, but I still enjoy getting this box. Some of you may have already seen the contents of this, so if you've already seen it and don't want to stick around, I'll see you on my next video. But if you haven't seen it yet, let's dig right in. All right, so every month it is curated. So this month, our whiff box, it says, it's the little things that make the holidays special. Your November whiff box is curated for gifting with perfectly sized goodies just right to fit inside a stocking. And actually, I think I like stocking stuffers the best as far as gifts. Share the fragrance, share joy with fragrance this season. So, cute little thing. All right. There is a poem in here from Heidi, our CEO. It says, make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other gold. Goes back to my brownie days. A fire burns bright. It warms the heart. We've been friends from the very start. Silver is precious. Gold is too. Together more precious. Our value shines through. Across the land, across the sea, friends forever, we will always be. Heidi Thompson. So this is supposed to be like a spoiler into what next month's curated box is. Normally, our whiff boxes usually have 1 or 2 exclusives in them. Next month, December's box, which starts at December 1st, there's going to be the whole box. I don't know what the contents are going to be. I'm sure they're going to spill the tea on our end of month live, usually on the 30th. So dig right in. There is a cute little stocking here. It is probably like a soft velour. So yeah, Christmas little stocking. Not going to open up because I may gift some of this to some of my customers or family, friends. You just never know. All right, so we do have 3 of our scent circles. There's various uses for these. Your cars, laundry bags, laundry rooms, trash canisters, wherever you want to put some fresh fragrance. So you get 3 of the Frosted Fantasy. You are going to get a room spray in Cinnamon Woods. This is the exclusive for this month's box, so you cannot purchase this fragrance on my website. These are nice because they are not oil-based anymore. They are water-based. Oh, it smells really good. I didn't particularly care for the fragrance bar, but you never know. I may enjoy this better than the bar. Great deal. These are like $9. You get over 900 sprays in one little bottle. So you're gonna get that. Oh, Christmas cookie. I forgot this was coming. This is one of my favorites. I fell in love with this last year. It was a scent of the month. This one is locked up in my club. I think I'm actually down to 1 bar, so this is great. I'll have another bar. It has orange in it, pine, and I believe evergreen. Oh, it's so good. You either love this bar or you hate this bar, and I love it. It's just so good. It's like nostalgic Christmas, and one of my top 10 bars ever that Scentsy has brought out. So you get 1 bar of Christmas cookie. You are going to get the scented pod in eucalyptus wreath. Not one of my favorite fragrances, but I'll enjoy it. I will probably use this in December, January. I like to use our pods in our car system. We have the Scentsy Air Solo, you have the Go. I mean, if you want to use it in your home, best way to put it is in your quad, or you can put it in the top of your air purifier. I don't like to put pods in my air purifier. For this box, though, if you do not have any of our fan diffuser systems, I can help you get one at a nominal cost, no worry. But this is a great box. If you want to give it to someone for the holidays, a Secret Santa gift, stocking stuffers, you could actually take this box and make like 2 or 3 gifts, depending on if you go like by price point. So you are also going to get Counter Clean. This is like the best product that Scentsy has. If not, I would say I do like the all-purpose cleaner, but this counter cleaner is a fave amongst the customers that I have. Not only can you use it on your counters, this is good on stainless steel. I like to use it as a pre-treater for stains on my clothes, and I don't think I've ever had a fragrance that I didn't like, and Perfect Peppermint is just nice. It's just like a fresh peppermint candy. So you're going to get a bottle of that. And then lastly, in this month's box, you are going to get iced balsam. So this is going to be the fragrance for next month, starting December 1st. And there is a warmer coming out too, which is really pretty. As a consultant, you can take advantage of a sales kit that will give you the warmer, the bar, stickers, and pods. This month I did not participate in it because I'm not really a fan of a lot of Christmas tree fragrances. So I knew I was going to get a bar in my monthly whiff box. So I said, that's fine. If I do decide that I like it and I want to participate, I can always add that on till like the 28th of the month. So let's just go ahead and do a first sniff of this. This is Ice Balsam. It will be 10% off the whole month of December. Some of them can be very strong. I liked Christmas Tree last year and I ended up putting that one in my club. This one is nice. I mean, it does smell like a balsam tree. Growing up, when we get a fresh one, we would get a balsam. So it does kind of give me that memory. I think if you are going to use this, go little, which is something I normally don't say when it comes to wax. This could possibly be headache worthy for some people. It's similar to Icicles and Evergreen. That's the only thing that I'm really thinking, and I really didn't hear of Icicles and Evergreen. So I will go ahead and warm this as it gets closer to December. I'm still kind of in my spicy season. Currently behind me, I do have cranberry spice going, and it smells so good. I think today's gonna be the last day. We're on day 2 or 3 of that, and then I will change it up and freshen up the wax. So there you have it. This box is available now at bossbecca.com. If you need help placing an order, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. The best way to get this box is to add it to any of your open shopping links, or you can purchase this through a Scentsy Club, which is probably the most economical way of getting this curated box. So this retails at $35 US. You can put it in a monthly club and just get this box itself. You'll get 10% off, reduced shipping. But the best way to get this, in my opinion, is to get that club order to $60. You'll unlock a half off. So for the $60, you could put in, 10 bars of wax if you wanted to. You could get some counter clean bottles. You can get laundry, whatever you want, cotton cleanups. As long as it's $60, you're going to unlock a half off. I choose this as my half off because it's such an amazing deal. Because if you look at the value of this box is $51 value. $17.50 was my cost. So it's a no-brainer. I do participate in this every month. I think it's the best way to get your hands on new products and the exclusives. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching today. Once again, my name is Rebecca. I'm a Scentsy fragrance specialist. And if there's anything that I can help you with, please don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Stay scented, and don't forget, change your wax.